Our sun may have a twin sun called Nemesis. This is what the ancient Greeks used to call it. They believed that there was a second sun. A new study shows that our star was born with a second sun orbiting it. This is a result of a recent study by astrophysicists from Harvard, published on the specialized portal arxiv.org, and it says that at the time of its birth, our sun could have had a twin sun called Nemesis. This is what the ancient Greeks named it. This is the phenomenon called a binary star system, which is quite common in the universe. When two nearby stars orbit each other, their research scientists said that at birth most of the stars in the universe are of binary systems, which may mean that our sun may have a twin sun. Researchers claim the hypothesis of Nemesis, so named in honor of the goddess of revenge, proposed that physicist Muller in 1984 proposed this, and according to the scientists, Nemesis could be a brown dwarf that has not yet been discovered. This solar sibling is referred to as evil due to the theory that states that when Nemesis circled, it caused the extinction of the dinosaurs on Earth. Binary systems. The research reached this conclusion based on the observation of the newly formed stars of the constellation Perseus and a mathematical model. All stars, like the sun, are born in pairs, American astronomers calculate, thus strengthening the theory of the lost star of Nemesis in our solar system. We say yes, probably once, long ago, there was a Nemesis, said astronomer and physicist Stephen Stoller of the University of California, Berkeley, who publishes his calculations in the monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, with radio astronomer Sarah Santavoy of the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory at Harvard University. Stars with two or three companions. Many stars have two or even three companions, such as our nearest stellar neighbor, the Alpha Centauri system, which consists of three stars, with Centauri neighbor closest to Earth. Researchers with the U.S. Very Large Array of Radio Telescopes in New Mexico studied a giant molecular cloud filled with newborn stars in the constellation Perseus, which is 50 light years across and 600 light years from our Earth. The conclusion is that all stars, like our sun, are born in company, and according to calculations, the distance between the twin stars can exceed 500 astronomical units. This unit is the average Earth-Sun distance, which is about 93 million miles. Such a twin is estimated to be 17 times farther from the Sun than the most distant planet in the solar system, Neptune. Nemesis escaped once. Scientists consider the most likely scenario that Nemesis at some point escaped, quote-unquote, and got mixed up with the other stars in our galaxy, so we won't see it in the future. According to scientists, all stars are born inside oval cocoons called dense cores and are everywhere in the vast cold clouds of molecular hydrogen, which are the maternities of new stars. Through optical telescopes, these maternity clouds look like black holes in the starry sky because the dust accompanying their gases blocks starlight from reaching Earth. And this is why molecular clouds are studied with radio telescopes, since radio waves are not blocked by the dust of space. So, isn't that interesting? Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.